Hello guys, have you ever wondered about getting a new gaming mouse but doesn't want to spend too much on it? Well, you come to the right video because today I'm going to unbox and review a product from Logitech G, which is a G102, and this is a gaming mouse, and today we're gonna talk about it. Alright, for your information, I've been and I've been using this mouse for like 2 weeks now, and I'm going to re-unboxing it again so that you can have an experience about it. And here we go. So the packaging is simply like this, and it's a very simple, and I've got the color white here. And let's go unboxing. For today I'm going to unbox it like this. All right, so inside the box you have the product itself, which is the mouse, and also inside is a user manual, and then a message from Logitech G itself. Say keep playing over here, and then yeah, life is more fun when you play, so it is fun to have a good peripherals when you gaming. Alright, and also you're gonna get a sticker, Logitech G sticker, and yeah, put that aside first, and we're gonna talk about the mouse itself. So here we go. And for your information, I've been fans of Logitech for years. I even have my previous mouse, which is the wireless one, G304, and this is a good mouse, but I'm looking for something new, and here we go, the G102 white. Right, the cable length is it's so long enough, you can see here, and the shape of the mouse pretty similar to my 304, and yeah, it's almost the same, right? So that is about the mouse, and it's a very similar button with my 304, the white mouse. Oh man, I like the white mouse, and I like the white peripherals. As you can see, I also have a white keyboard, and this gonna fit my setup well. And here is the close look up for my new mouse. It's a gaming mouse, G102, and compared to the G304, it's very similar design, and except for G304 is using a battery, which is a wireless light speed gaming mouse, but this one is a wired mouse. So unlike G304, the G102 come with the RGB, and this RGB you can control it using the software from Logitech itself, which is the Logitech G Hub. So let's take a look at Logitech G Hub after this. And here is the sounds comparison between these two mouse when you click on it. So this one is like this, and this one is both mouses are very smooth when you drag it, and it is very good mouse for a budget gaming mouse. Here we go. This is the Logitech G Hub software, where you can download it from the website, and here you can see that this software detect any product from Logitech G, and here I've got two, which is my first mouse is a G304, and my second mouse, which is the one that I review in this video. Alright, in this software you can see that you can adjust any setting, for example assignment for any key, and the
the sensitivity of it, you can change the sensitivity up to 8000 for this mouse, and I'm gonna stick with 800. And for the light sync, you can change any color, change the RGB to any color or any effect, for example like color cycle here, or breathing cycle, breathing effect, color wave effect, horizontal or reverse horizontal, color blend, screen sample. And personally I like this one, cycle, because I like it to be changed. And here you can change the speed of the cycles, for example like this one, to slow it down, or move it to here to make it faster. That is pretty much about the Logitech G Hub, and you can see that it's pretty useful using this software to adjust any color you want or any setting you want with the product from Logitech G.
So guys, that is all from this video and about this mouse. And I think before you go, please let me know about your thought in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video. I'm sorry if I can't review much or give information much about this mouse, because this is for assignment purposes only. So thumbs up if you like it, and see you next time.